Now let's do an exercise on descriptive and inferential statistics. So we want to look at each of these and identify them as descriptive or inferential statistics. All right, so it should be statistics. All right, a basketball player's free throw percentage based on their performance up to the midpoint of the season. Okay, so realize we have all of the data. We've collected all of the different percentages of free throw, how many times he made his free throws, all the way up to the midpoint of the season. So this just describes what he's done so far. It is descriptive statistics. Now, question 2. The average GPA for all current students based on complete data from the records office. So here's a case where we have all the data from the records office on all the grades that the current students have, and we know everybody's GPA and we average it together. Again, since we know all the data, this is descriptive. If I could actually type statistics. All right, now question 3. The president's current approval rating based on a group of 5,000 U.S. residents. Okay, so let's think about this one for a minute. We're taking the opinion of 5,000 people, and we're then inferring that everyone in the United States has that same percentage of approval for our president. And this is, of course, what's commonly done to get the president's approval rating. So this is inferential. We're taking the data from 5,000 residents and inferring that the entire population is going to have that same opinion. So this is inferential statistics. All right, number 4. A graph showing all sales this year for all major vehicle manufacturers. Well, now again, we're assuming we just have all the data and we've put it into graphic form. So in that case, it is just describing what sales have gone on for the year. So this is descriptive statistics. All right, question 5. Suppose I collect data from this class and use it to calculate the percentage of students. And I probably need to say here the percentage of students in this class who live in Lexington. All right, so I'm going to take the data from this class, find out who lives in Lexington, and calculate the percentage. Well, again, this is everybody. I'm getting everybody in the class. This is actually not got any inference in it. It's descriptive statistics. I'm just adding up and averaging out what I have. All right. Number 6. Suppose I collect the data from this class and use it to estimate the percentage of all BCTC students who live in Lexington. So I'm only getting data from this class, and I'm going to infer that from that data, the same percentage of people in BCTC students live in Lexington. So this is inferential statistics. And there we've got it.